In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to refund Roblox items and get your Robux back in Roblox. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now go ahead and type in roblox.com/support and search for it. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now here, you will need to fill in all these details. Go ahead and type in your username, then the first name, email address, confirm it. Now click on this drop down and select the device in which we're having this issue. Now scroll down to help category section and choose purchases using Robux. Under the subcategory section, the option that best matches your issue. If you're requesting a refund for a marketplace item, choose I have an issue with marketplace item purchase. If it's an inexperienced purchase, select I have an issue with an inexperienced item purchase. You can also select the private server option if that applies to your situation. In the message box, clearly explain the issue. For example, you can write that you accidentally purchased an item, mention the item name, and request a refund since you have not used it. You can also include the amount of Robux you spent to make your request clearer and easier for support to review. After you fill all these, click on Continue to submit your request to Roblox support. After that, your case will be reviewed, and if eligible, your Robux may be refunded back to your account. And that's it. You now know how to request a refund for Roblox items through the official support system. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.